and make it yours. Hi everyone, welcome back to LNDIYs. I'm so excited to share with you another beautiful little gift set that you could put together for your mom to enjoy on the Mother's Day, but also for her to take home and enjoy. It's the beautiful botanical tea set. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, I'm ready to get making. You're gonna need a little bottle. I like using a glass container with some sort of lid. In this case, it's a cork top and some loose leaf teas. But I wanna give you a tip. When you're gifting these teas, you wanna give at least one decaf option. You just never know. So in this case, I'm utilizing chamomile. And then I'm gonna need cardstock, but I'm gonna need one sheet per different kind of tea, because I don't want to cross-contaminate or mix them together. So to keep them separate, I'm going to use a separate cardstock for each kind. All right, let's do this. First of all, cardstock, fold it in half. Boom, boom. And then right in the middle of it, I'm going to just sprinkle in some Earl Grey, whatever tea leaf you want. Then I'm going to mix in some marigold. However much is up to you. I purchased these off of Amazon. But there's lots of different places you can get them from. Please do not go into the middle of your garden and pick out whatever flowers you want because you have no idea what the heck is on it. And we're gonna mix it all together. Just evenly distribute it. Once you have all of that done, you're gonna transfer it into the bottle. Oh, look at that. Shake it a little bit just to even it all out. Close it up. Done! I'm gonna move on to 3 other loose leaf flavors. So I'm gonna mix green tea with jasmine flowers. This one's vanilla bean with some rose leaves and chamomile, which is a mix of lemongrass, chamomile, and pepper. Once you're done assembling all of this, you need to label your bottles so that whoever's receiving this gift can know exactly what they're gonna drink. So I created these really simple labels out of the Avery clear labels, and I just printed it and cut it. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna apply it onto the bottle. So this one says green tea jasmine. So I'm just gonna add this on here. Boom, 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 boom. Voila, done. Now we're gonna assemble it because we're gonna be gifting these out. So I found this really cute little clear gable box that fits all of these perfectly. You guys could utilize different kind of boxes, bags, up to you. But I'm gonna put in all 4 of these with the labels facing out so they can see. I'm gonna add this. So whenever you give loose tea leaves, they need a way to be able to diffuse into the water. And so this is a great way for them to do that. That's it. We're gonna seal this up. I created this really cute little label that says tea time on it so that everyone could know exactly what they're getting. In the case where you're at the table, it's Mother's Day brunch, this is how I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna have these little linen bags. I'm gonna put all 4 of them in there so that during tea time they can pick and choose whatever tea they want to drink. I'm gonna add a little label that says tea time. Why? Because it's all about creating that experience, right? So I wanna make it super special. All they have to do is add in the loose leaf teas here, add in some hot water, and ta-da! This will be the perfect complement to your Mother's Day brunch. I hope you guys really love this tutorial because it's really, really smells nice. So subscribe and like to my channel because I have so many more DIYs to show you, and I can't wait to show you the final tablescape for our Mother's Day brunch. Until then, comment, like, subscribe, check it all out. I have other DIY videos on our channel right now. So come and check it out, and thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you try it, have some fun, and make it yours. And until the next time,